Okay, in this video we're going to be building a new site just the regular way with our software, and so we're going to go through that process of making the site with the software, and then in the next video we're going to start in on creating quality, unique content either in our blog or featured articles category. But what we're going to do is create those quality post, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to get traffic using those posts, and I'm going to show you the right way to add content to your Amazon sites that you build with Amazon Auto Builder. So that'll be a separate video, and we'll go over that after we get the site built here. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm going to paste in the URL here. Now, I'm not going to show the whole process. Most of you have been through this process, so you kind of know what's going on. So I'll pause the video, and then we'll make this site as we go, and then we'll pick up the next video with creating that content. So I'm just going to create a profile for this site real quick. And that's created. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's go ahead and download our plugins and templates just real quick. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we need to get our title, tagline, and then our keywords for our site. And the way we're going to do this, we're going to be using a free software. We're going to do some keyword research and try to isolate some good keywords for us to use. So and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the download for, you got the download for the free keyword software that we're going to be using. Okay, the keyword software is serp, and the free version is very, very, very good. I use it almost exclusively to do keyword and niche research. Okay. So if you want to go ahead and go download it and then open it up and just kind of go along with me, you can. But what we're going to do is we're going to do some keyword research because we need to get our home page keywords. Keep in mind, this is for our home page, okay? So let's go to keyword research, and we need to add our Google AdWords account. So since this is going to be our home page, I'm going to put in So I'll just put in that, and what we'll do is we'll do some searches. We're going to go ahead and click on search. Okay. So what will happen is the software is going to go pull some keywords. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay. So it brought back a ton of keywords. Now, a lot of them we're not going to use, but we're going to do just a filter real quick. Let's just say more than 500. And let's add a filter by keyword or by competition. We'll do medium competition. Okay, so now we got some keywords. Now I'm going to grab a couple, and then we're going to do another search for a different keyword. So what we're going to do is basically start getting a list of keywords for us to use. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this one, and what we can do with this particular software is something called the serp analyzer, and it's going to tell us basically how competitive the keyword is. So you can actually just click this button. Okay, so we'll take this and analyze the actual keyword and see what the software tells us. Okay, so it tells us, it gives a score of 21, which is moderately easy to rank for. Okay, so we're just going to take that keyword and we'll just put it on a notepad. Now, another thing I'll do is come over to Amazon, and then we're going to do a search for the type of product or the niche that we're going to be selling. So when we do a search for this particular case is Pontiac GAGT. Okay, so we got all kinds of automotive stuff. Okay, so we're going to take a look at what kind of stuff we're going to be selling for this site. So what we'll do is, since we got a lot of performance parts, I'm going to go back to our software and go back to keyword research, and I'm going to add performance parts. It's a good long tail keyword, so we'll just take a look and see what the software tells us. Okay, so we got a lot of keywords that have to do with performance add-ons or performance parts. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some filtering here. Let's go ahead and filter it by low competition first, and let's go ahead and put let's go ahead and put 500. And we got to do the competition again. Okay, so we've got some pretty good keywords here with low competition. Okay, so these are the things that we're going to take a look at now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and check these first few boxes here for, I'm not going to select that. Take aftermarket. And let's see, let's go ahead and take those keywords. Okay, so we've highlighted those, and what we're going to do down here in the bottom, we're going to send them to our SERP analyzer. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put these on our clipboard. If I can find it, there it is. Okay, so we got those on our clipboard now. So we just pasted them on our notepad here, okay? So let's go ahead and send this first one to the SERP analyzer. Okay, so the keyword performance accessories is a pretty easy keyword that we can probably rank for. So we're going to put that on one of our homepage meta keywords, okay? Now, what happens is when you do the SERP analyzer, what it does is going to give you the top 10 websites that are ranking for that particular keyword, okay? And what it also gives you is it gives you their meta keywords. So what I would like to do is I'd like to have see what the meta keywords they're using, okay? So I'm just going to select all of these, and then in the selected website actions, send to, let's go ahead and send them to our clipboard, okay? Let's go ahead and paste them back on our notepad. And let's just make a name for it, top 10. Okay, so we'll paste those in here, and we'll come back to them and see if we need any of them, okay? Okay, so we're pretty good about having some homepage keywords that we're going to use. Now, there's one thing that we want to do. Inside your membership, we're going to go and get some Google suggestions, okay? So go ahead and click on SEO Tools, and then we'll click on our link here. So what we're going to do is go down into Keyword and Meta and click on Keyword Generator. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to put in my main keyword. Okay, so I'm just going to put that in. I'm going to click Generate Results, and I'm going to see what it gives me here. So Google suggests a few here. So I like the Pontiac G8 GT exhaust and actually the supercharger. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and copy those to my notepad. So I'm going to go ahead and just take one of these keywords, the G8 GT exhaust. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to our keyword software, and I'm just going to paste that in here. And I'm just going to do a little test on it real quick. Okay, so you can see that it gave us a 17 score with the easy difficulty rating. Okay, so this is what we want. So we've got some keywords for our homepage meta keyword. So I'll just clean them up a little bit. So I've got about 4 to 5, in between 4 and 6 keywords for our home meta keywords. And so what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and put my commas there. So I'm going to copy all of them at one time. Okay, so I'm just going to copy these and go back to our software, and I'm going to paste the keywords in here. Okay, so we got our meta keywords. Now, for our meta title and description, we want to make sure and have our main keyword in the title and description here. Okay, so I just made our meta title, looking for Pontiac G8 GT Performance Parts and Accessories, and then the description also has our keyword. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just do our tagline, our title, tagline, and then About Us section, and then go ahead and complete the site. Now, in the next video, we're going to be going over just adding unique articles to the site that are keyword focused, so we can start getting our sites ranked. So I'm going to finish building the site now, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, I'll put the links for the keyword tool below this video so you can go grab it.